Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Days after an Air Force pilot died after two Hawk jet aircraft of the Surya Kiran aerobatics team collided mid-air at the Aero India 2019, a massive fire broke out on Saturday in the car parking area near the venue of Air Show in Bengaluru. No casualty has been reported so far, but around 300 vehicles burnt in the incident. After much effort by the fire brigade, the blaze that is spread across the parking lot has now been extinguished. After a brief halt, flying operations too have now resumed and the air display will continue as planned. NYOOOZ Desk.